Sri Aurobindo Meera Group of Institutions. Special guest Sri P. Balasubramanian, Commissioner of Police. Mr. M.C. Abhilash, Director of the institution. Mr. M.C. Abhinath, Joint Director of the institution. And respected principals, teachers, and finally the guests of the evening, students and their parents. I feel immensely happy to be associated with the 14th annual day celebration of Sri Aurobindo Meera Group of Institutions. Dr. Chandran, Chairman of the Aurobindo Meera Group of Institutions, narrated how the beginning was humble and simple. I am really delighted to have association with this type of institutions. I feel nostalgic when I came here, and our friends in the dais also will agree with me. The students' days are the best in one's life, especially those who are in the 10th and 12th standard. They will be leaving this institute and joining elsewhere. It is the best occasion for them to feel happy. The world which you will be entering soon will be a different one. So the best part of one's life is the student days. The world nowadays very competitive because of globalization, recession, and all kinds of problems. So the biggest challenge the world has to face is stress, and diabetes will be that is into Tamil Sakkarai Noi or Neeralivu Noi will be the biggest challenge you will be facing from now onwards, and the population affected by diabetes will be more than the dreaded disease called AIDS. So, especially the elders, we don't have time because we have stress in our life. The students' days, you have active play and laughter. Especially elders, we have forgotten laughter and active play. That is, நாங்கள் சிரிக்கிறதே மறந்து போயிட்டோம். That is the stress we are facing today. So, I offer a simple advice to the students: don't alienate the childhood in you. That will take care of your health in the future part of your life. So don't alienate the childhood in because you are entering like as elders. So don't forget this important point. Next thing is, to be successful in life, it is not necessary to become very rich and powerful. You do what you like to do. You don't take, especially for 10th and 12th students, you don't take a course because someone has already taken or your parents want to thrust on you. You do a course which is compatible to your talent and where you will enjoy that course. Then you will be happy. Because I just quote an incident. If Shah Rukh Khan, he is a great actor, if he is forced to play football, and Mr. Baiching Bhutia, a great footballer, if he is forced to do acting, both would have made mess out of their profession. So you do what you like to do. There is a quote, and I quote: when work become as good as play, then you never have to work again. Quote ends. So do things as you like to do, then you will have a focus on it. A simple mantra for your success in your life is, you have a focus on what you are interested in. There are 3 mantras for success in life, that is dedication, determination and discipline. These 3 things the Aurobindo Mira group of institutions are imparting in you. So the students are fortunate to study in this group of institutions. With these few words, these are the secrets for success in your future life. Before I conclude, I wish every student a good luck. And as Dr. Abdul Kalam said, you dream. And I pray God Almighty to convert your dream into reality. Thank you.